Welcome to Painted Kids Studio, where we make amazing art videos. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified every time we post a new art video. Hello friends, Miss Kate here with a painting I call Spring Cat. So today I am not going to be painting Spring Cat, I'm actually going to be drawing on paper. But you guys can work on canvas if you have it at home and just follow and draw along, and then when I get to the colored pencil part, you guys can just go ahead and paint it the same colors. So my Spring Cat, I like to start, well, first of all, if you guys, I know that I always start with Sharpie in these videos. It's so that you guys can see it a little better, but I would recommend you guys start with pencil and eraser, and then if you make mistakes, you can erase them, and when you get your sketch exactly how you like it, then you can switch to Sharpie. So to start our Spring Cat, I actually like to start with a small little oval like this. That's gonna be like the mouth, where the mouth and nose are on our cat. So cats have a little tiny triangle nose. So I like to draw a little dash, and then a little tiny letter V underneath. So there's the teeny tiny little nose. And the mouth, swoopy, whoopy, just like that. And whenever you get your nose and mouth done, you are done with your snout, you guys can start on the eyes. So my cat's eyes are pretty big, like this. And then I like to put another circle in there, and I color in that circle, except I usually leave a little sparkle. My cutie eyes, like that. And my cat looks like it's tilting its head a little bit. I think it's super cute. So after I have this part done, I'm ready to give this cat like a face. So I'm gonna go ahead and draw another like oval shape like this around the eyes and the snout. Once you have the outside of the head done, you're ready for the cat ears. They're just big and pointy. And I always do little pinky middles, like that. Now, this painting is really decorative. So if you look at my Spring Cat painting, you'll see that I put a little, not a little bow, a big bow around this cat's neck. So I'm gonna show you guys how I like to do this bow. So to start, I do like a really big knot, like where the bow is tied, right underneath the middle of the face. And then I'm gonna do two huge ends of the bow, like that. And then to make it look a little bit more like a bow, I usually add two little lines like this. And then we gotta have the ribbons hanging down. Like that. So now our cat has a bow around its neck, and now we're ready for the body. So this is a very big cat. I have my cat going all the way down to the bottom, like this, two big curves. And then I like to put on the big tail. So I have like a big tail like this. So our cat is done, and now I'm just gonna surround the cat with flowers. So in my painting, I have, look at how many flowers I put in here. I put like, this cat is surrounded by flowers. So I'm gonna show you a couple different ways that I like to draw flowers. The first kind of way I like to draw flowers is called a donut flower. So I draw like a donut, and then I do like these big petals reaching out like this. So that's one way you could draw a flower. Another way I draw flowers is like a little circle, and then just a couple petals, like this. And then if you guys want to draw roses, kind of like just like, sometimes I'll just do like these wavy like circles like this. That kind of looks like a rose to me. And another way, again, I could just draw flowers all day. So sometimes I'll do like a circle like this, and then I'll do pointy petals like this. Maybe one more back here. Oh, maybe one more over here. Like that. Oh, maybe I'll make it even more creative like this. Lots of petals. There we go. So you guys can just keep going, and I'll even have like petals like over here, like flowers over here. I have them in this painting, I have them like all, like this is like, they are all over the place. These flowers have taken over. All right, and maybe some little ones too. So I even have some of my flowers on my cat, which is kind of funny. But what I did in this one My cat is black, so I just had like the stems also black. So sometimes they like, you can't see the stems everywhere, but like this one would be like maybe coming off this way. And then maybe this one is like going down. I like to show the stems. So maybe this one is like curling around like this. And maybe this one is like curving down behind the cat. And then some of these little flowers here, I may not have stems on them. I mean, you can if you want, but they would be really small. Like they'd be really thin stems because they're really small flowers like this. Okay, so here. And if you make your cat black, you won't see these stems because the black will cover up. But yeah, you just keep going and you keep adding flowers everywhere. So when you are done adding flowers, you guys can color this or paint it any colors that you want. I know in my example, I had a black cat, but you guys don't have to do it as a black cat. It could be a pink cat or a purple cat. You really can paint this one any way that you want or color it. So I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and color on your own. Thank you for joining me today for my spring cat drawing. I am posting these videos every day at 1 o'clock, so please join me again tomorrow.